Greetings folks, here's a little feature that's very useful if you want to record some vocals to a backing track using just a phone, and you can do this if you've got an iPhone 11 or later. Okay, so it's quite a new feature, but it used to be you play a track and then you open the video camera and the track would stop, and it still does that if you've got the camera set to video. But the trick is, first make sure you're on photo mode. Okay, photo mode. And then here we go, I've got a track. This is my open mic track here. Okay, I'm going to go to the camera now. Normally I do this with headphones, okay, but for this, so you can hear what I'm doing, I've just not got the headphones in. I'd normally record with headphones so you can't hear the track on the vocal, okay, but here we go. So I'm playing the music. Just turn it down slightly. Now if I go to the camera, okay, I'm on the camera, there we go, there's me, you can see on the screen. Ooh, hello. Okay, so there we go. So what I'm going to do is I press this button and just hold it down a second. It starts recording for as long as you hold it, but I don't want to hold my finger down for the whole thing, so I just simply slide up. Okay, and that locks it, and now it's playing the track and recording video at the same time. Okay, and it doesn't record the sound, it doesn't record this track. It only records what's coming in through your microphone, so you can listen to a track and record a separate vocal. Okay, so that's a new feature. So there you go. Thanks for watching.